Okay, so now one of our concepts, we're going to actually solve some trig equations. So let's get started. So let's solve 2 cosine of t is equal to root 3. So first what we need to do is the following. Cosine t is equal to the square root of 3 over 2. So you have a unit circle. So what you're trying to do is you're trying to look at, so I'll draw this. There are all values where all values of t where cosine, well, I'll write like this, cosine will have the value of square root of 3 over 2. So can we find this? So if you look, there's different angles where this can happen. So for instance, t is equal to pi over 6 is a solution. Okay. So if we know pi over 6 is an angle, then we just do a little geometry. So we know the whole circle is 2 pi. So if we do 2 pi minus, we get 11 pi over 6. But we also know that we can also get it through negative pi over 6. So basically we can write the solution as follows: pi over 6 plus 2 pi n equals 0 plus or minus 1, so minus 2, so minus 3, right? Dot, 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 dot. We also do 11 pi over 6 plus 2 pi n equals 0, and then the same thing on the bottom. And then basically to get this negative pi over 6, that's with n equals minus 1. So there's your solution. So I'll let that sink in. I hope that helps.